Did you know there's a European city where ancient history meets electric nightlife? A place that blends old-world charm with a modern, energetic pulse? Welcome to Belgrade, Serbia's vibrant capital, where the streets stay alive long after the sun sets and the culture is as rich as its nightlife. Belgrade, the capital of Serbia, is a city rich in history and culture, making it one of Europe's oldest cities. Ready for an unforgettable adventure? Let's discover why Belgrade is Europe's best-kept secret. Day 1, exploring Belgrade's cultural heart. National Museum of Serbia, 10 a.m., 11 a.m. Belgrade is a city that will captivate you with its vibrant history, artistic soul, and breathtaking views. The Belgrade's National Museum is the country's oldest and largest museum. You can't come back from Belgrade without visiting this museum. This museum was established in 1844. It houses over 400,000 exhibits, including masterpieces by Van Gogh, Picasso, and prominent Serbian artists. Spend about an hour immersing yourself in Serbia's rich history and international art. National Theater, 11:15 a.m., 11:45 a.m. Just across the square from the museum is the National Theater. Even if you're short on time to see a performance, the building itself is worth admiring for its neoclassical architecture. It's one of the cultural hubs of Serbia, housing opera, drama, and ballet performances. Skadarlija and Cetinjska streets, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Stroll through the cobblestone streets of Skadarlija, Belgrade's Bohemian quarter. Enjoy a traditional Serbian lunch at a kafana, followed by coffee, while soaking in the vibrant atmosphere of art galleries and live traditional music. Head to Cetinjska Street to explore modern art studios, bars, and urban culture spots. Nikola Tesla Museum, 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. Discover the life and inventions of Nikola Tesla through interactive exhibits, original artifacts, and live demonstrations. Ada Ciganlija, 4:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Spend the afternoon relaxing by Belgrade's beach, Ada Ciganlija. Walk along the scenic lake, rent a bike, or unwind at one of the riverside cafes. St. Sava Temple, 7 p.m. to 7:45 p.m. Visit the magnificent St. Sava Temple, one of the largest Orthodox churches in the world, and enjoy its serene and spiritual ambiance. Knez Mihailova Street, 8 p.m. onwards. End your day with a stroll along Belgrade's main pedestrian boulevard, perfect for shopping, dining, and people watching. After a long day of exploration, you'll want a comfortable place to rest, which comes into your budget. So in this case, where can you go? So you can go to Alexander Hostel, Bongo Mama, and Shelter Belgrade Funky Hostels. But sometimes you love to explore luxurious places. So in this case, you can go to Square 9 Hotel Belgrade, Hyatt Regency Belgrade, and Hilton Belgrade, located in the heart of Belgrade. Day 2. Day trip to Mra Gora, Sargan 8 Railway, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Start your second day journey with a quick escape to the scenic Mra Gora, just a couple of hours outside Belgrade. Nestled in the Zlatibor district, this hidden gem offers an enchanting mix of natural beauty and cultural heritage. Drvengrad, wooden town, 12:15 p.m. to 2 p.m. Step into this charming wooden village built by filmmaker Emir Kusturica. Explore local crafts, exhibitions, and cozy restaurants offering authentic Serbian food. Lunch, traditional Serbian cuisine, 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Savor local delicacies like svadbarski kupus and ajvar at a traditional Serbian guest house. Tara National Park, 3:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. Explore the stunning natural beauty of Tara National Park. Enjoy hiking through forests, taking in panoramic views, or photographing the Drina River Gorge. Old Watermills, 6:15 p.m., 7 hours p.m. A lesser-known but equally fascinating attraction is the Old Watermills, located along the river in Mra Gora. These centuries-old mills still function today, offering a glimpse into Serbia's rustic past. The soothing sound of flowing water, combined with the scenic surroundings, makes for a perfect spot to unwind and reflect on the slower pace of life. Horseback riding, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. End your day with a guided horseback ride through the scenic landscapes. Before heading back to Belgrade, treat yourself to some traditional Serbian dishes like svadbarski kupus and proja kajmak, cornbread with clotted cream at a local guest house. So if you're looking for a special experience, you might like Vacation Home Nana, where comfort and style fit perfectly with the beautiful nature around you. Or you can treat yourself at Makabnik Resort, where top-quality facilities blend with the peaceful mountain surroundings. If you're looking for budget-friendly accommodations with the same experiences, you can visit Villa Mra Gora, Etno Apartments Oknjice, or Hotel Shargan. Each of these places gives you a unique way to enjoy Mra Gora, ensuring a stay you'll remember long after you leave. Day 3. Historic Belgrade, Kalemegdan Fortress, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Start your day at Belgrade's iconic fortress, where the Sava and Danube rivers meet. Explore ancient walls, monuments, and panoramic views of the city. Roman Well and Tito's Cold War bunker, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Despite its name, the Roman well is neither Roman nor a true well. Constructed by the Austrians in the 1700s, it was originally intended as a water source but never functioned as one. Today, it's a 62-meter deep pit with eerie legends surrounding it. Local tales say it was used as a dungeon, where prisoners fought each other for survival after knives were thrown in once they were starved and desperate. Upper and Lower Towns, 12:15 p.m. to 1 p.m. Wander through the Upper Town to see the Victor statue, then explore the ruins of the Lower Town. Military Museum, 1:15 p.m. to 2 p.m. For history lovers, the museum located within the fortress grounds provides a deep dive into Serbia's military past. Ruzica Church and St. Petka Chapel, 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Visit these two beautiful churches inside the fortress for a spiritual and architectural experience. Lunch, traditional Serbian cevapi and burek, 2:45 p.m. to 4 p.m. Take a break to savor classic Serbian dishes at a local eatery. Belgrade Zoo, optional 4:15 p.m., 5:30 p.m. If you're traveling with kids or simply love animals, the Belgrade Zoo near the fortress is a fun and educational stop. Kalemegdan Park, 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. End your trip with a peaceful walk through Kalemegdan Park, capturing the sunset and reflecting on your journey. As your 3-day trip comes to an end, consider staying at the Radisson Blu Old Mill Hotel if you're heading to the airport. It's conveniently located close to the city center, about 3 kilometers from the fortress, and just a 13-minute drive from the airport. With modern amenities, the hotel offers a peaceful and comfortable stay, perfect for unwinding after your adventures. Alternatively, the Courtyard by Marriott provides a central location, a fitness center, and charming views for tourists. Its proximity to the Belgrade Fortress makes it even more convenient, as it's just 18 kilometers from the airport, taking approximately 14 minutes by car. Travel tip: take advantage of Belgrade's efficient public transport system, including buses and trams. Purchase a daily ticket for unlimited rides, making it easy to explore attractions without parking hassles. Visit in the morning or late afternoon for fewer crowds, wear comfortable shoes for exploring cobblestone paths, and bring water and snacks. Don't forget your camera to capture Belgrade's beauty and create lasting memories. In just 3 days, Belgrade offers an unforgettable mix of adventure, culture, and history. From the serene beauty of Mra Gora to the ancient streets of Kalemegdan Fortress and the artistic soul of Skadarlija, Serbia's capital is a city that caters to every traveler. Whether you're a history enthusiast, nature lover, or simply looking for a new city to explore, Belgrade's charm and energy will leave you wanting more. And with its affordable accommodations, friendly locals, and delicious cuisine, you'll wonder why more people haven't discovered this hidden gem. Belgrade isn't just a city, it's an experience. A place where history breathes in every street and where the nightlife is legendary. With its welcoming atmosphere, stunning landscapes, and rich cultural heritage, this city should be on every traveler's bucket list. So pack your bags, book your tickets, and get ready to uncover Europe's best-kept secret. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you in the next one.